Hello guys, this is Donzia and you are welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I would like to show you how to create a UK TikTok account using your without no VPN. Okay, now without no further delay, let's dive into the video. So what you are going to do is, if you already have a TikTok account uploaded, sign in into your phone, so you are going to log out, or probably just clear the storage, the data storage of the TikTok account. So once you clear it, so the app is going to be as fresh, as new, as if you just install it. Now after clearing the TikTok app, or probably you log in your account, either it's one of the one that works for you, so you are just going to, as you can see,
Where are you? I'm here, madam.
so you are just going to the profile icon here. Once you click on the profile icon, so you will be asked to log in. So since you don't have an account, so you are just going to click on sign up. So once you click on sign up right here, so you are going to look around here. As you can see, it said the account is located in Nigeria. Now we are going to click on that Nigeria and change our location to USA or United Kingdom. So I'm going to click on Nigeria, and then I'm going to click on United States. So now after clicking on United States and right here, so I'm going to sign in with phone number or email address. So I'm not going to be using phone number to sign in, so I'm going to be using email address. Now this email address will have been the email address that I've opened, new fresh email address that was opened fresh. So I'm going to use it to sign up. So now let me use this email address to sign up. So I'm going to click on continue after using this email address. So I should receive an OTP code sent to this particular email address that I input. Now I want to check the email address for the OTP. Then I'm going to enter the date of birth. So just to keep everything okay.
deliver this package to you.
As you can see, this account is new, freshly opened. So I will like to click on here, right here, then click on settings and privacy. So I'm going to come and click on the account information right here under accounts. So that's what I'm going to click on, and then I'm going to click on account information, and under account information, as you can see, the email address is there but the phone number is not there. So I want to, for here I'm going to see the region, where it's going to show the region of where the account is created. So okay, contact and location. It is not here. So I want us to see so that you can see that it should be appearing here. Here's what I'm looking for. I should see it here, like under account information. I should see the phone number, email address, and the region. Yes, I should see it. So how come I'm not seeing it here? How come? This is not even it. Yes. Let me check on this balance that we doing. I'm trying to see. I think this one is showing payment method. On my normal account, I don't see payment method. Like the payment method is not even there. My normal main account. Here I'm seeing payment method. So I just want to show you that it works. So that's why I'm trying to check whether I'm going to see the location so that I can see. Yes, as you can see, it works. It works. So it is telling me here that I should add a payout method. Yes, as you can see, country of religion. As you can see, United States of America. So this is to show you that this works. So this tutorial that I show you, it works. As you can see. So that's the reason why I'm trying to show you the region. Yes, that's the reason why I'm trying to show you the region, so that you can see that this works. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe